Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been on Wix for a while, but suddenly your email not sending in Wix, the platform, basically the website builder in 2026. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna see on how to actually fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. We're gonna go all the way to Wix.com, the website builder. Open this dashboard. All you're gonna do is just log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go and look for our form settings. We're gonna see the email notifications. You can also check the automations if you want to. Also make sure your email is added and verified. Okay, so for me, if it's my own email, we're gonna go all the way to setup. As you see here, they're gonna show you all of this dashboard, including your email here. You're gonna see if you are fully connected to a domain. If there is a business email that you need, just tap connection, connect it. So you can also go to your email and actually check the spam folder. Wix emails often land in spam the first time. Use also a custom domain email. Gmail or Yahoo may block Wix system emails. Then custom domain emails work more reliably. Also keep it in mind. Go to automations all the way, automations here. Turn them off and on back again to see if they're gonna work. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.